What's up, guys? As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Today, we're just going to be doing like a trade journal. We're going to be looking at what has happened to my account over the last few days. I think the last one I did was on Friday. It was after my crazy trading session on Thursday where I did stuff that was not proud of. So, since then, I have closed Microsoft and took it at 8.9% gain. I kind of just took that off so I could trade with more stuff. Let's look at the chart. So Microsoft, I didn't pull that one up. Baskets. We're just gonna pause. All right, so we have the chart, and it looks like I had entered. Are we on the daily? I don't even know. Oh, we're on the weekly. Here we go. Boom. All right, so I had entered at this white vertical line, and I actually exited above my entry because this was a long position. That's what you want. I exited on this day right here at the gold line, and bam, I took a 8.9% return on this trade. Now, the stock itself had only moved, magically did the math, 2.8%. So from here to here, it only moved 2.8% from my white entry line to the yellow exit line. Yet, we returned 8.9% because we sold a lottery ticket to the person who is bearish on this right here at the 230. We sold what I call the lottery ticket is a 230 put spread. And because it moved from here to here, it returned us almost 9% when the stock itself had only moved 2.8%. If you want to learn how to do that, check below in the video description for the link to the course which I'm created, which is deeply discounted right now because it is not yet complete. Thanks for doing that. Next up, we have, let's look at our little sticky note, MOS. MOS was not a close for profit, really. If I can find MOS, it was a, oh crap, this thing is, I looked, because my crazy Thursday, I was just like, let's sell everything. And I checked on the PE, and it was actually, it's kind of an undervalued company. So I was like, hey, we're going to go ahead and get out of this. I entered on this day at the gray line. I was like, yes, it's been going up, big bar. I'm doing it. But I was really aggressive. My strike was 57.50. So my lottery ticket was the 57.50 call spread. And I don't remember what this was an aggressive, this was like 100 to 150. This was over a 50% return on this one. And I ended up closing at an 8.1% return, which was, to me, was almost like a wash. I had entered here at this gray line, closed probably right here on Friday. Was that Friday? Monday. This was Monday. I closed here, like just about at the gray line, so it just went flat for a few days, and excuse me, took the almost just about 8% return. So the following day, it dropped even more. I would have had a really nice return on this, but I'm okay with this because I was too aggressive and I did not check the PE. It's an undervalued company. Sure, it would have been nice to have taken that extra profit, but peace of mind, being able to sleep, having your right position size, all that, it's all worth it to me to have not taken a great profit. I should have just looked at the PE before even opening this position. Okay, moving on. That's what I did with MOS. Wynn Resorts. When I opened this position, I thought it was an American hotel thing, and it's actually like a Chinese casino. But here we are. So let's take a look at Wynn. Here, Wynn. All kind of lines on this thing. Let's see. So I have 4 positions on Wynn. I have a position starting here, 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 here. I don't know. It's pretty complicated. I want to go down. I think it is going down. We're staying inside of the wedge. My whole collective position after today, this nice red bar, I'm now up 1.4% on my position. Great. Let's see. I'm not taking any more positions on Wynn. That is my conclusion on Wynn. Glad to be up on Wynn because these 2 days right here, I was down significantly. So if we could just stay flat, move down, that'd be great. My friend Steven's here. Can I move the camera? He's like, no, Jordan, don't show me. Let's see what is up next. And NTRA, I got filled. I top ticked NTRA today. Now, this one's interesting because if we go back to MOS, I took an aggressive position. Here I also took an aggressive position. You can see my sold lottery ticket is at the $60. That's the call spread, the $60 call spread. And I entered here. Now, today I got filled right here at the little top tick. And I did not close my position when it did today. It went into a profitable position. Are we red on it? No, see, even right now we're up 4.3%. Now, I did not close this one. Why? Because this one has no forward guided PE and it has no current PE. So this is not a profitable company. The position I took today, I went up even further. I sold the 65 and my expiration for the lottery ticket is out here. So I went out further. I held the one. I entered here. Today I entered here. So there you go. That is my position. I'm up nearly 5% on NTRA. I'm happy with this. I'm going to keep holding it. Even if it goes up, I'll keep holding this because I have a strong conviction on NTRA. What's next? DUOL. How are we on time? 6 minutes. Good. We're under 10 minutes. All right, let's keep going. DUOL. Oh, look at that. I'm negative 8.8 position. 8.8% on this position. By the way, I think I was bullish if I didn't say that. Yeah, bullish on Microsoft. Close that. I'm short. DUOL. I'm short. This is like Babel. What's the other one? Anyways, a language company where you learn the new language. DUOL. Can we find it? Yes, it was right there. Bam. So this one, I took another position. Oh wow. I took 2 positions on DUOL. Looks like I entered right here at this gray line and at the white line. Looks like I took 2 different strikes as well, and probably same expiration over there at March 20th. And I'm negative 8, almost negative 9% on this position. I'm not concerned about this position. This one also, I believe, was not profitable. NA for the PE. And oh, today, this video is not about Jerome Powell or the little speech or the hearing or whatever they called it he had. I'm not really, pause. I can't. My thoughts are regathered. All I was trying to say was it's not about the meeting thing that Jerome Powell did today, but I am comfortable staying in this because after today, Jerome was like, we think that the federal fund rate, terminal rate, where we're going to raise it to and let it sit, is higher than previously anticipated. That was the big thing I got out of the meeting, and that gives me confidence to remain short on everything. So I feel fine with this one. It looks like I entered, I don't even know if that was it. It had to be yesterday. Maybe it was today. I don't know. Anyways, you also have a big red volume bar, which would tell me like, hey, this is probably going down. You also have a cross on the stochastic, which is also quite a bearish thing to happen for this stock. Next up, so FSLR, I was really happy about this one when I put it on. I'm still happy with it. If I can find it. Maybe it's in that one. This is VIX. I took a VIX. FSLR. Yes, I entered on this day right here. You had a gap up, a big bar, and I've traded this one a lot before, so I was pretty excited to get in on this one. Excuse me, I remember trading it in the 160 range. And you can see the volume here is dying down. It's a big volume, which is like throwing used engine oil onto a fire. It slowly will go right, and that is what has happened. You had earnings right here, and you can see our volume's dying down, yet the price action has continued to go up. I love that. That is a great bearish setup. I love it. Also, like I said, stochastic crossed over. So it's above my entry, but I'm 100% sleep at night on this one, and I am down just 1%. And I did the math. I shorted this at 210.19. It is now at 214.29. Had I shorted this with the stock, I would be down 1.95%. My actual position is down 0.9%. How is that? How did I short it here? It's up, and I should be more red than I am because I sold the lottery ticket, which is the call spread, at the 230 strike. And as time goes by, this lottery ticket becomes less and less valuable. That is why I am not as down as far as I should be. And we have till here. I don't think we're going to cross this red line by the time we make it out to the expiration, the blue line. So I really like this position. I'm holding this position. And what else we got? VIX. I'm long the VIX. My friend who was sitting here with me, he was like, Jordan, have you seen SPY? He's all excited that it had gone up. He's like, we want to short it. I was like, yes, friend. I was gonna say your name. I was like, you don't want to see your face, so I'm just not even gonna say your name. I was like, yes, I'll go long VIX. And that's what I did. Now this position is unique. So far, I've been talking to you guys about selling lottery tickets. So what I did is I didn't buy a lottery ticket. That would be like buying a naked option, which you don't normally hear. You just hear people buying options, but they are buying options they probably don't own the stock, so they're really buying a true lottery ticket. The kind of lottery ticket that I purchased was like kind of like Goldman Sachs buying AIG lottery tickets. So this would be like a casino buying their version of a lottery ticket, because a casino is not going to straight up gamble. They're going to do a modified, much better version of gambling, which is what I did. I took a long position at this white line, my break even line. So by here, it has to hit this blue line for me to break even. And by here, if we cross this line and stay above this line, by the blue line, I'll take my max profit. Anywhere from the blue line to the green line, I'm taking some sort of profit. I'm going to tell you how much profit. So you can see, did the math, 34, I'm up 34.4% on this position. And my possible return is 431%. So right now, we're not even at my break-even line because there's still so much time left. And the gamblers are still excited. They'll still be buying this up. As we get closer and closer, I will need to be above this blue line by the expiration. But anywhere from here and up is, from here to here is a possible 431% return if I'm at or above the green line. So that's great. Now, when we do something like this, yeah, there we go. We do something like this. This is a much smaller position because the return is so great, but because the likelihood of this working against you is greater. The likelihood of going to zero on this position is greater. So small positions is like, oh, we really don't care if they die, but hey, if they return something, it is returning a portion of our account. So that's great. So that's why we would take a position like this. And also just depending on, there's like a whole thing about the lottery tickets, and if people are excited to buy them, then they cost more. If they're less excited to buy them, then they're cheaper. In this situation, the people weren't very excited to buy these lottery tickets, so that's why I got a really cheap deal on a lottery ticket. So I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna buy the spread instead of trying to sell a spread, and that's kind of why I did it that way. Anyways, that is it, and we are at 13 minutes. So bam, that's an update trade journal. I'm gonna separate out like the S&P 500 update or whatever. Make it 2 separate videos, make it shorter. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. If you like this, don't forget to click the like button. Also, there's marbles in my mouth. Also, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.